It's me and my boy Kadeno here, running and biking. He's actually able to keep up with my jogging pace, which is crazy. We were able to do this all in one day. Good job, Kaden. So this video will show you how we got Kaden, our now 3-year-old. You know, from 1 year old, he's been on a balance bike. So he was good at a balance bike. You want your kid to be good at a balance bike when you're trying these steps to transition quickly to pedal biking. Like, we did it in like 5 minutes. It was insane, and I'll show it to you. But yeah, get him good at pedal biking. You know, my son from 1 year old has been on a pedal bike. He's done triathlons on his pedal bike. He's done mountain biking on his pedal bike. So he is good at biking. And you know, we did the training wheel thing with our other older 2 kids, but it was a long, laborious process. This process of going from a balance bike to pedal biking is so much better. So step 1 is getting good at the balance bike. So step 2, and this is a big step 2, is teaching your child how pedals work. They don't really know how they work. Like, they think just jamming down is going to make it move. They need to know that only forward motion is going to make it move. Go ahead. Good job. So both sides now you know how to do it. You want to try with your feet?
No.
Not yet? Okay, keep practicing. All right, good job, Kaden. Already so much better. Because before you were just jamming on both sides of the pedal, didn't know what you're doing, and now you have direction. So good job. Keep doing that, Kaden. Keep doing that. Ready, set, really fast. Go. Good job. Good job.
That's the only way to
Okay,
break
it's been
on
5 minutes
them.
of this. Maybe it's time to try it out. What do you think, Kaden? Should we try? Okay, let's try it. Okay, Kaden, you ready for your first ride?
Yeah.
First step is if you can just balance bike, so just push. Okay, push, 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 and get used to the balance of that bike. All right, keep pushing, okay? Push, 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 push. Yeah, that's good, just like that. Keep doing that, keep doing that. Push, push, push. Go ahead, let me see you balance, okay? I just want to see you balance. Good, just like that. Get used to the balance of the bike, and then we can start pedaling once you get used to it. You feel used to it?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna turn you around, and then we're gonna put our arms or our hands right under the armpit. You can put your foot on the pedal, and I'm gonna help you balance. They don't say to put it on under the seat because you're just controlling too much of the balance, and you want them to get used to it. Okay, pedal, just like we pedal on the other bike. Go ahead, pedal, pedal, pedal. Okay, so I'm gonna help you with the balance. You go, pedal, 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 pedal. Okay, try to turn around. Turn around. Good. Good. See, you already know all about turning from your balance bike days. And then, oh man, Kaden, are you ready? You ready? Oh, you're doing it. You're doing it. All right, turn again, turn again, turn again, turn again. Okay.
Dada,
Wow, this is fast, Kaden.
Dada,
This
two
is
bikes.
fast. Oh, get your foot on that pedal. We need to practice that. On the front part of your foot, front part of your foot. Oof. Okay, turn, 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 turn. Okay, Kaden, let's see it. Go, pedal hard. Pedal hard. One hand. I'll only help you with one hand. Go, pedal. Pedal.
No.
Pedal. No, okay. I got 2 hands on. 2 hands. Okay, we've only been doing this 1 minute, and you're doing good. What do you think, Kaden? Was that hard?
Yeah.
But you're getting it, right? Ready, go. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go.
Yeah, Kaden's coming back.
Woo! Good job, Kaden. So that was pretty much in like 2 minutes. You got it. I let go and you were biking for like 5 seconds.
Yeah.
What did you think? Was it cool? You did really good, right? Okay, that's good. So another thing to pay attention to is just their seat position. You kind of want them to be on their balls of their feet, not fully flat. He's kind of fully flat. Why don't we try the other bike? You want to try the other bike?
No.
You like this bike?
He
All right, let's do one more run on this bike, and then we'll try the other bike. Okay, ready? Let's go.
I'm gonna be watching.
All right, go ahead. Turn, turn, turn.
Hey, don't do.
All right, pedal, pedal, pedal.
Don't hold me.
Pedal, 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 pedal. Ah! Good job, Kaden. Kaden. Okay, let's try the other bike. I want to see if you can do just as good with the other bike, okay?
Why, Dada?
Okay. Come on, Kaden, right here, right here. This one.
Dada,
All right, so this is a specialized, I think, small pre-caliber 14-incher. Huh?
I'm going inside.
All right, go ahead.
How do we do that?
I'm gonna hold you again, and you just pedal. Okay? So yeah,
Okay.
ideally the balls of their feet, you know, they don't need to be flat-footed there.
Whoa.
All right, go ahead. It's a little different to bike, but I think this bike might even be a little easier for you. Okay, turn. Turn. All right, there you go, Kaden. You got it. You got it. Good job. Kaden, you're getting it, man. What do you think? Are you excited?
Yeah, I want to do one more.
One more.
Kaden, can you do it? Can you do it 0 arms?
He's got it. Kaden, you got it, man. You got it.
I never learned how to bicycle. I'm gonna try the small bike. I'm trying the small bike, Daddy.
Yeah.
Just try to do it again.
You want to do it again? Go
Yeah.
for it, buddy.
I don't know how to do it.
All right, so it's been about 5 minutes now. Okay, now I'm gonna help you boost you, okay, just to get started, because I think you kind of got it, but it's hard to get started in the beginning, like mashing that pedal, especially uphill. Downhill, you might get it. But good job, Kaden. You got this. You got this. Don't crash, buddy. Okay, I got you. Wow, Kaden, you're doing it. You're doing it, buddy. You too. Okay, we're gonna see if Kaden can start from a downhill all by himself. Kaden, you ready? All right, go.
But I don't know how to do it.
Yeah, I know. Just try your best. You can even just balance. You know, you like your balance bike. You just push down, and then you start pedaling. Okay, try that. Just give it a push.
No.
You don't want to?
No.
All right. How about I help you a little bit? Okay, ready? Go. Go ahead. Go, Kaden. Go up the hill. Up the hill. Good job, Kaden. Good job. Man, you are a pro. And you even stopped on your own. See, this is what 3 years, I guess 2 years of being on a balance bike does. Just gets him so used to being balanced, stopping. He's got it all. Why are you going on the grass? You just following me? Okay, we're gonna keep going with this. I mean, it's been about 10 minutes we've been practicing on the bike. Maybe in total it's been, oh shoot. All right, you got it. Good job, Kaden. Good job. Is it scary or is it good?
What's this?
It's a little scary though, right? But you
Yeah.
excited to be a real biker? So Kaden's having trouble starting, so you always want to put like their dominant foot. Actually, he's a lefty, so we got to switch him. All right, so Kaden, you got to move up a little bit, and then, all right, now get your left foot on there. Get your left foot. All right, now go. Push hard down. So you want to try to get them in proper pedal position to jam on that pedal, and then but yeah, honestly, I don't think he's going to get it today. It takes a while to, oh boy, it takes a while to get that starting thing. So I'm probably gonna have to help him start, because that's how it was with my other kids. It took like, I don't know, 5 days of starting. Unless it's downhill, they might be able to get started downhill. Kaden, why don't you turn it around and try to do it downhill, okay? Right there, go ahead.
I don't know.
Sonny, look, I can use my knees.
Nice.
This help me to do
All right,
it.
so you want to get in proper pedal position. So you want this forward, okay? And then put your foot on that one. Lean the other way. So lean the back. Okay. Keep that foot down. And just put your foot on here. Okay? And then push off with that foot and then go down the
I
hill.
don't know how.
You want me to hold you just a little bit?
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to hold you just a little bit and then you go, okay?
Okay.
All right, ready? So leaning this way, put here, and then you push off. Push off and go. All right, I'm holding you. Go ahead. Push, and go. Okay. Good job, Kaden. Can I see a big circle from you? Do a big circle.
Hey.
Go do a big circle. Man, I'm so excited. This is 3 years old. He's, I think, our youngest. No, Kaylee was just getting it right before she turned 4. But I mean, this is like in 10 minutes he's getting it like this. 30 minutes of total practice. You know, we were practicing on the training wheel bike, but he's getting it. You excited, Kaden? Yeah. Okay. I think we got it, buddy. You want to try again without any help from Daddy down the hill? All right, turn the bike around. Okay, try to get your left foot on the pedal. Okay.
But we make how, Dada.
Okay, let me help you here. Okay, you're leaning right. Okay, try to push off and then go. Can you try?
But we make how.
Huh?
We make how, Dad.
Just like as if you were on the balance bike. You just need to push and then you have enough speed to go, okay?
No, I want to do stop one.
Go. Oh, go, 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 go. Pedal, 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 pedal. Yes! You did it, Kaden, all by yourself. All by yourself. But you did it. So this is about the age that we started Kaden on this exact bike. It's a little worse for wear. He would just ride it inside the house during winter all the time. And yeah, so all I kind of did in the beginning was just guide him on it. And it has 2 pedals, so, you know, a pretty good balance.
Hey, Dada.
Just ride in the house, ride everywhere, go on walks.
Hey, Dada, how me
I mean,
do
she
that?
started not getting it, but by 1 year, before 1 year old, Kaden was doing it on this exact bike. 2 front wheels, 1 rear bike. And then, you know, he progressed to these regular bicycles, these regular balance bikes, and just got better and better and better.
Hey, Daddy, can I help you?
Yeah, I help you. Ready? Here we go. Now there he goes. Okay, we are closing in a half a mile that Kaden's done. I mean, I did have to push him a couple times, but he's doing it. He's doing the whole thing. This is half a mile. Riding on his first day, he learned to ride a bike. Good job, Kaden. Amazing. You got it, buddy. You got it. Good push. Good push. Good job, Kaden. So this is actually footage from the next day. We went a full mile. You can see he's using his balance bike skills. We went to the park and back, and he's just ready to start pedaling. So please use the steps I outlined in this video, you know, to get your child started. And if they start biking using this video, please let me know. I'd be so happy to hear it. And any tips you might have discovered along the way. We have incredible biking videos. We've gone bike packing as a whole family, so definitely check that out. Please subscribe. Famvestor, all about family, finance, freedom. Godspeed.